Class, today we will continue with the Act 4, Scene 1. We will start Act 4, Scene 1 with the speech of Portia. This is one of the most important speech given by Portia, and this speech, many times this speech has come in board exams also. So you just listen this speech very carefully. Portia, when she comes in the court of justice and she addresses to Shylock, she says, she requests and she gives some examples also to soften the heart of the Shylock so that he should not take the revenge from Antonio. Portia says, the quality of mercy is not strained. The quality of mercy, the pity, is not strained, means this is quality is not forced. It comes automatically in the heart of a human being. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven, and it comes from the heaven, just like the gentle rain comes from the heaven. The same way mercy comes out from the heart of a human being, just like the gentle rain from heaven. Upon the place beneath, it is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. According to this line, these lines, she says, when we receive the mercy, when just like the rain comes from the heaven beneath to the ground, the same way it gives blessings to twice. It gives blessing to two people, the one who gives the mercy and the second one who receives the mercy. It blesses both the people. 'Tis mightiest in the mightiest. This is one of the powerful. Mercy, it becomes the throned monarch better than his crown. And it makes, this quality makes the crowned person, crowned king, to be much more better than his crown. The king can be much more better and good with the quality of mercy. His scepter shows the force of temporal power. His scepter means his rod, his power only shows the temporal power. Earthly power, that is just prevailed on earth only. The attribute to awe and majesty, this kind of a quality of awe and majesty, power and majesty, where doth sit the dread and fear of kings. If this kind of a mercy quality comes in the heart of a king, this kind of quality makes a majesty, a power with lots of qualities in him. But mercy is above this scepter away. But mercy is just above all these powers. It is enthroned in the hearts of the king. It lives in the hearts of the kings. It is an attribute to God himself. The merciful kings, they do have the mercy in their heart, as well as this is the attribute of God himself. God also gives mercy. God also have mercy on its people, on his people, and the king also sometimes shows the mercy towards his subject, towards his people. An earthly power doth then show like as gods when mercy seasons justice. When earthly power, means the king's power, becomes the merciful, then it is just like the God's majesty power, and mercy seasons justice. If the mercy mingles with the justice of the king, then it becomes just like the God's power. Therefore, Jew, though justice by the plea, consider this. Then she addresses and requests to Jew, the Shylock, that I pray you, I plea you, I request you for the justice. If you are just believing in the justice, you just mix the justice with some mercy. Consider the mercy. Though justice be thy plea, consider this, means consider the mercy. That in the course of justice, none of us should see salvation. We do pray for mercy. None of us can live on this earth if the God is not so kind to us, if the God does not give mercy to us, so we cannot just live on this earth. The same way you should also show mercy towards this Antonio. So we get the salvation by the God's mercy, otherwise we would not be able to live. The God saves us. We do pray for mercy to God, and that same prayer doth teach us all to render the deeds of mercy. And the same prayer we do to the God, and it gives us a render, it gives in return, it saves our life. I have spoke thus much to mitigate the justice of thy plea. She says, I have just spoken all these words to soften the justice. Mitigate means soften the justice of thy plea. Whatever the case or the plea you have just put. So that's why I'm just telling you to just soften your heart. Which if thou follow this strict court of Venice, must needs give sentence against the merchant there. She says, I have said this to soften the harsh justice of your claim, but if you continue your demand, then it is a strict court of Venice. So we will just pass the sentence. Sentence means here the penalty or punishment against the merchant. Merchant is Antonio. So we will pass the punishment or sentence to merchant Antonio if you are not ready, if you will continue your demand. Shylock. My deeds upon my head, I crave the law, the penalty and forfeit of my bond. He says, just let it be all my deeds on my shoulder, on my head. I crave the law. I ask for the law and justice only, the penalty and forfeit of my bond. I just want the bond, I just want my bond or contract to be continued, and the justice should be given to me. Portia. Is he not able to discharge the money? She asks. Antonio is not able to give you back the money. Bassanio. Yes. Here I tender it for him in the court. Yeah, twice the sum. If that will not suffice, I will be bound to pay it 10 times over. Bassanio says, here I tenderly, I just request him. I request to the court also, I can give the twice of that sum. Whichever the sum he has taken, Antonio has taken from the Shylock, I can give the twice, double of that money to him. I will be bound to pay 10 times over. If he is ready, I can give the 10 times money to him. On forfeit of my hand, my head, my heart. If this will not suffice, it must appear that malice bears down truth. He says, if it is not enough, then I will just give my own hands, head and my life also, if it will satisfy his hunger. It must appear that malice bears down truth. If he is not still satisfied, then it shows he is having malice, that he is having envy in his heart. And I beseech you, rest once the law to your authority, to do a great right, do a little wrong, and curb this cruel devil of his will. And further he says that I just request you to use your power to modify the strict course of the law. He says you can just, if you can just change some strictness in the law. So I request you to do a greater justice by committing a small irregularity, by depriving the cruel devil of fulfilling his wish. He says if you can just withdraw this devil's demand, whatever he just wants to fulfill his wish, if you can just change something. Portia. It must not be. There is no power in Venice can alter a decree established. Portia says there is no power in Venice that can change the decree or the law that is just already established in the Venice. No one can change. It will be recorded for a precedent. This justice will also be just recorded as an example. Precedent means example, and many an error by the same example will rush into the state it cannot be. If I will just change something there, then this would be set an example, and these kind of errors will take place in next cases also. Everyone will be asking for the change in the law. So law will not get changed. Shylock. A Daniel come to judgment. Yeah, a Daniel. O wise young judge, how I do honor thee. Now Shylock became very happy when she heard that Portia is saying that there should not be change in the bond. So he says to her that he is Daniel. Daniel means the God in the form of judge. So he says, Daniel, you are just doing very good judgment. I just honor you. Portia, I pray you let me look upon the bond. Then Portia says, I request you, you just show me the bond or the contract. Shylock, here it is. Most reverend doctor, here it is. And he says that most reverend, most respectful doctor, see this bond. Portia, Shylock, there is thrice thy money offered thee. Portia says, Shylock, here it is given that thrice thy money offered thee, that you have just offered the thrice money, the due amount offered to you.